Alright guys, welcome back to another video from CoinDev. In today's video I'm going to talk about how you can trade using Binance P2P trading platform. I'm going to show you how you can deposit fiat and then how you can convert that fiat into cryptocurrency. If you like cryptocurrency or contents related to cryptocurrency, then make sure to click the subscribe button and also don't forget to turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified about it. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight ahead into what brought us today. So first and foremost, when you come to Binance.com, when you go to the website of Binance, you'll first of all look for where they wrote buy crypto, which is at the top left hand side of the nav bar. So when you click on it or when you hover right above it, it's going to show you the three methods in which you can use to buy cryptocurrency from Binance. So you can use your credit card, P2P trading, or third-party payment. But what we are going to focus on today is the P2P trading. So I'm going to click on the P2P trading right now. It's going to then take me to the page where I can buy and sell cryptocurrency through Binance P2P. So you can see it right here now. Binance P2P, buy, sell your crypto locally. So this is the key here, locally. So through the Binance P2P system, you can buy and sell cryptocurrency locally using your local currency, using the fiat, be it USD, be it yuan, be it INR, be it euro, be it pounds, be it Nigerian naira. You can use any form of fiat to buy cryptocurrency through the Binance P2P platform. So let me scroll down and show you some of the advantages of using the Binance P2P exchange. So right here now you can see, if you use the Binance P2P exchange, among one of the advantages you get is a low cost transaction fee. In essence, for the Binance P2P section, transaction fees on Binance P2P, takers are charged zero trading fees. So there is zero trading fees on the Binance P2P section. You don't have to worry about paying any fee. You won't pay anything. Then the next advantage is flexible payment methods. The Binance P2P system has a lot of payment method. You can use be it PayPal, bank transfer, e-wallets, or maybe M-Pesa. There are tons and tons of different payment methods that you can use. Any kind of payment method you can think of, Binance basically has it on their platform, and you can use it to buy cryptocurrency using your local currency. Then you can trade at your preferred prices. So on the P2P platform of Binance, you'll find out that there are a lot of orders. So basically you can come there and then you can select the order that suits what you actually need. So you find out that okay, there's an order of, let's say, maybe BNB at a price of 270,000 naira, maybe BNB at a price of 200,000 naira. So you choose the one you want to actually buy. There are tons and tons of orders that you can choose from. Then next, there is protection for your privacy. So the Binance platform is known for being secured, like super secured. So far so good. We've heard about a lot of exchanges being hacked, but up till now we haven't heard about Binance itself being hacked. So Binance is very, very secured because they use top-notch technology, and they have a lot of senior developers that make sure the platform itself is very, very secured. So when you're using the Binance P2P section, you have assurance that everything you do there is secured. And right here, when you look at this particular section here, the first thing you notice is right here we have P2P, and then here we have Express. So from the name itself, this P2P, when you come to the P2P here, you can basically select an order that you want. But when you go to the Express section, in the Express section, just like the name implies, Express, so you just want to do it very fast. You don't want to waste your time selecting any order. So through the Express section, you can just buy cryptocurrency like very fast, as in super fast. You don't need to sit down and go through the orders to select. Binance itself will automatically pay you with someone that's going to supply you the cryptocurrency at that particular time that you need it without wasting your time. So through the express platform now, this is the way it's basically is. So there's a buy or sell. So if you are buying, first of all, through the express, you first of all make sure you have selected the right currency that you want to use based on your own local currency. So my own local currency is Nigerian Naira, which is NGN. So if I click on NGN right here, so you can see it here. So maybe let's say I wanted to buy let's say I wanted to buy Bitcoin using Naira, using Nigerian Naira. So right here now, I'm going to click on this USDT, and then in this box I'm going to type in BTC. When I type in BTC, I can then choose BTC. So when I select BTC, it's going to load. So then right here now I can type what I want to pay to buy that particular Bitcoin. So I can type how much, I can type the worth of Naira I'm willing to pay for a particular amount of Bitcoin. So I'm going to type in, I want to buy, let's say I want to buy 10,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin. I'm going to type in 10,000. So I'm going to type in 10,000. So when I type in 10,000 right here, you can see this is the amount of Bitcoin that I'm going to get for 10,000 Naira. So if I do pay 10,000 Naira, I'm going to receive 0.00042 BTC. If I'm satisfied with this, I can then click on buy with zero fee. So when you click on buy with zero fee, it's automatically going to pay you. You can see right here now, it has paid me with this particular guy. They said best offer. So they're going to buy the 10,000 Naira Bitcoin for me at 23,883,000 Naira per Bitcoin. So this is the price at which they're going to buy a single Bitcoin. But in that one Bitcoin, I'm just going to buy a fraction of it, which is 0.0041861 BTC, which is worth the 10,000 Naira. So if you are okay with this, you can then go ahead and confirm your purchase. So after you have confirmed the purchase, Binance is going to supply you with the details of the seller, with the payments, with the details of the payment method of the seller. So right here now you can see the payment method of the seller is bank transfer. So in essence, what this bank transfer means is you are going to have to transfer the cash to the seller's bank account. So Binance will provide you with the seller's bank account number, his account name, and the bank he is using. So when you click on this confirm purchase, Binance will open a page, and then on the page, let me click on the confirm purchase. Successfully place an order. So right here now it's going to show me the page. Good. So this is the page now. So on this page now, right here now you can see bank account number. This is the account number of the seller, and then the bank name. This is the bank name of the seller. So you are going to transfer the sum of 10,000 Naira to this bank account number. When you transfer it to this bank account number right here, then after you have transferred it, you will then come and then you click on this transfer next. So when you click on this transfer next, the seller is going to check his bank account and make sure that yes, you have actually transferred him this 10,000 Naira. If he checks his bank account and he sees that yes, he has successfully received this 10,000 Naira, what's going to happen is at that point in time, he's then going to release this quantity of Bitcoin to you. When he releases the quantity of Bitcoin to you, the Bitcoin is going to automatically appear in your P2P wallet on your Binance. So that means you have automatically bought 0.0041861 BTC. But for now, I'm not going to go ahead with this particular process, so I'm going to cancel the order. Let me just click on order reasons and then confirm. All right. So that's all for the process of buying Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency through the express. So now let's go back to through the P2P method. When you come back to the P2P method right here now, if you look at it carefully, you can see that we have USDT, there is BTC, there is BUSD, BNB, ETH, NGN, DAI. So These are various coins on the Binance platform that you can buy through the P2P section. So we have USDT, which is the representative of dollar on the cryptocurrency application of Binance, and then we have BTC, which is Bitcoin. We have BUSD, which is also the representative of dollar on the Binance platform itself, and then we have BNB, which is Binance Coin. We have ETH, which is Ethereum, and then we have NGN, which is Naira, and we also have DAI. So basically, for now, these are the cryptocurrencies you can buy on the Binance platform through their P2P platform. So in this field here, you can type in how much worth of a particular cryptocurrency you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy 10,000 naira worth of crypto, you can just type in 10,000 naira. When you do this, then you can click on search. But before clicking on search first, you have to make sure you have selected the right fiat here. So you can see there are tons and tons of fiat from AED, AMD, ARS, AUD, Australian dollar, BTD, BDT, BHD. There are tons and tons of fiat. So if you are going to use NGN, you just type in NGN and then you select it. And then payment method. From here now, all payments. So you can basically select which payment method you want to use. So you can use bank transfer, cheaper cash, transfer with specific bank, mobile top up, cash deposits to bank, Western Union, Go Money, Cash App. So there are a lot of payment methods that you can use. When you select the right payment method that you want to use, let's say for instance you wanted to use bank transfer, you can select this bank transfer. So these are filters. Currently now we have filtered it. We have filtered the process with respect to Naira and bank transfer. Then right here now where you wrote your 10,000 Naira, you can click on search. So when you click on search, Binance is automatically going to bring out only orders in which you can buy cryptocurrency using your 10,000 Naira. But also don't forget, it is right here now. It's when you come to this particular page, it's going to automatically select USDT. So if you want to buy Bitcoin, you will have to click on BTC. So it's going to change to BTC. Then you can search again. You want to buy 10,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin. So right now we have searched. So Binance has brought up the orders through which we can buy 10,000 Naira worth of Bitcoin. So currently now the first order here is Black Knight. It's an order from someone named Black Knight 451. So right here now you can see he has completed 964 orders, which is 89.51% completion, and he's going to sell his Bitcoin to you at the rate of 1 BTC for 23,750,000 naira. So currently this particular guy has only 0.00123070 BTC available, which is a fraction of Bitcoin. So right here now, if you look at this particular limit place, in the limits now you can see the limit is from 1,000 naira all the way to 29,229 naira. So what this limit section is telling you is the minimum you can buy from this guy is 1,000 naira, and then the maximum is 29,229 naira. So in essence, the 10,000 naira worth of cryptocurrency we want to buy is within this range. So you can go ahead and use this particular guy to buy. Also, you can see right here now the payment method is bank transfer because we have already filtered it from this place. So if you are okay with this and you want to buy with this guy, you can go ahead and click this buy BTC. Or if you are not okay with this guy, you can look at other orders and then you can pick the order that you are okay with. So when you're okay with a particular order, you click on the buy button here. So let's say we wanted to buy from this first guy. I'm going to click on this buy BTC. So when I click on this buy BTC now, here are the information I got. So the price is at 23,750,000 naira per Bitcoin, and then currently now the guy has, this is the Bitcoin he has available, the payment method, and then payment time limit. So the time limit is about 15 minutes. So you'll be given a 15-minute window to transfer the money to the particular seller. So this is his terms and condition. Every seller on the P2P section has their terms and conditions. So you have to read the terms and condition. If you're okay with it, then you go ahead with it. So right here now the guy said, I'm online. Kindly drop a message and proceed with transaction. No funny narrations. just your name, please send messages, no calls. So this is his terms and conditions. He doesn't want you to message him, he doesn't want you to call him, he just wants you to message him. So when you send him the 10,000 naira, you can send him a message through the Binance P2P platform, and then you'll be like, okay, I have sent you 10,000 naira for this amount of Bitcoin. I'm waiting for you to release the Bitcoin. So when you do that, the guy is going to go to his bank account. He's going to make sure that particular 10,000 naira you said you have sent him, he has received it. When he verifies the payment of that 10,000 naira, he's then going to come back to the Binance platform, and then he's going to release that Bitcoin to you. So now let's go ahead. Right here now, I'm going to put the 10,000 naira. So then when I click on the buy BTC, it's going to take me to a page where I'm going to see the details with respect to the payment. So this is the page where I'm going to see the details with respect to the payment. This is the amount I'm going to pay, the price at which I'm buying a single BTC, and then this is the quantity that I'm getting. So right here now you can see this is the account number that you're going to transfer the cash to, and then this is the bank you're going to transfer the cash to. So when you transfer the cash to this particular bank, you click on this transfer next. When you click on this transfer next, then right here in the message box, so you can type I have transferred the cash. So when you type I have transferred the cash, you can then press enter to send the message. When you send the message, he's going to automatically see the message. When he sees it, he's then going to go and check his bank account to confirm the payment. When he confirms the payment, he's then going to release the Bitcoin down to your P2P account. When he releases the Bitcoin is going to automatically go to your P2P wallet. I'm going to show you where your P2P wallet is. So now I'm going to cancel this order because I'm not ready to buy currently. All right, so that was the process of buying Bitcoin through the normal P2P. If you wanted to sell Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency through the normal P2P, you click on the P2P right here now. When you click on the P2P right here, then instead of this buy, if you look at it at the top right here, you can say this is buy. Instead of this buy, you will change it to here. So you click on sell. When you click on sell, the same process in which we followed in the buy, that's what you are going to basically do. Right here, you type in the amount of the worth of NGN. Okay, let's select Bitcoin. So I've selected Bitcoin first of all. So right here now you're going to type in the worth of Bitcoin you are willing to sell. So I'm going to type on to sell 10,000 naira. Is when you sell your 10,000 naira cryptocurrency to someone through bank transfer on the P2P platform of Binance. Binance is then going to tell you if that person has sent you that 10,000 naira. So when Binance tell you if that person has sent you the 10,000 naira, then what you are going to do is you will go to your bank account, you will confirm if you have received the 10,000 naira. If you are sure you have received the 10,000 naira, then you come back to that same page, and then you will release the cryptocurrency to that particular person that is buying from you. When you release the cryptocurrency, then you have completed the transaction. So that will be all today. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to switch on the notification.